tayo huminto? Ihatid mo lang ako sa bahay. The wedding's over.
If I can't have you, no one can.
Atsi! Atsi, bangun! Atsi! Bangun kayo! Atsi! Bangun! Bangun! Bangun!
Tulaya?
Papsi! Papsi! Papsi!
Akin!
What the hell are opening? Tinay! Open the door! Ayos kila! Si! Ayos kila! Tinay! Tinay! Buksan niyo ang pito! O ano? Ready na kayo? Ready kila? Inhale. Exhale. Ready na tayo? Ready na tayo?
Nagpining.
Hi!
Good morning!
What's so good about the morning? Bayar mo!
Manang pining, sarag tong...
Law yung sarag sumambayar. Di man nagkarsada, maawang. Duga kayo namin.
Madam pining. Kaning asiyo mo lang.
Palanti.
Baka kung pwede po, makahingi po ng konting palugit pa.
Pwede naman. Kasi utang yun at sa kibulan. Ang kaso, 6 na buwan. Napaglaba yung bayar kayo. No, andi, paalisin ta kayo la.
Sige, sige, Madam Pining. Aalis na lang po kami. Hello?
Kailan mo babayaran ng utang mong 10 million?
10 million? Ano? May utang akong 10 million?
Oo, 10 million, Mr. Spirito.
Ano ba yan? Instant. Akong panalo.
I'm sorry to burst your bubble, Mr. Spirito. I won.
Ano yan bro, natalo tayo. Pera pa yun ang client natin. Saan tayo kukuha ngayon ng 10 million?
Of course. I'll pay you. I'll pay you right away. No problem.
Siguraduhin mo lang.
Anong katangahan yun? Pati down payment ng client, tinaya natin?
Cause we're down, duh! Guys, wala pa akong naalala ngayon.
Oo nga pala.
It's your birthday! Happy birthday, bro! So, ibig sabihin nun, makuha ko ng trust fund. Dahil 25 na ako. I'm a rich man. And mababayaran na natin yung utang natin kagabi. And most importantly, I have tons of extra cash. Kaya let's call Milala para masikaso na natin pagkuha natin ng pera. Good morning, Lala.
Oh, Rocco. Good morning. Happy birthday po.
Thank you, Lala. So, since I'm already 25, may I have my trust fund?
Okay, wait. I'll just get the papers. So, it says here that you will get the money when you turn 25 and when you are married at the mentioned age.
Lala, wait. Seryoso?
Yes, I am the one who made the amendments of this paper. So, hindi mo makukuha ang pera hanggat hindi ka pakasal.
What? Antutan mo. Lala, hindi niya sinabi sa akin na kailangan ko magpakasal para makuha ko yung pera.
Nasabi ko na ito sa'yo. Lasing ka pa nga nun eh. Nagsusuka ka pa.
Eh, lasing ako noon, Lala.
At least, nasabi ko sa'yo, iho. And please, katatapos lang ng stem cell transplant ko. I need to rest. Bye, Apo. Love
Hello?
you.
Lala? Wait! Putik, paano na to?
What if magpa-audition tayo?
Really? Ano to? Pelikula?
May kilala akong staff and they can assist you para sabihin para ito sa film and naghahanap ng female lead role.
Sige na nga, whatever. I just need the money.
I'm sure you're gonna like this house. You belong to a big family, so kasyang-kasya ka dito sa bahay.
Ako, sir, excited na talaga ako makita.
So this is it. The house is for rent since its late owner died.
Ha? Po? Namatay yung dating may-ari ng bahay na to?
Oo. Pero don't worry. Hindi naman dito namatay yung owner. So this is the house. 2-bedroom downstairs and 3 bedrooms upstairs. And kompleto na rin to lahat. Mayroong kitchen, may shower room, and may bathroom. Titira na lang kulang.
Sa tingin ko, magugustuhan naman ito ng pamilya ko. Kano po ba yung
6,000 a month. 2 months advance.
6,000?
Wait, 6,000? Ang mahal naman. Pero go.
Sige, kukunin ko na po.
Girls, we will start the audition in a while and we will call you one by one, okay?
Hi, Miss Beautiful. Say your name and age.
Gina Cal, Catherine Limzon, Ina Moran, Vina Rurut.
What is your talent?
Acting. Pero niloko mo lang ako. Gilig, tanggilig, udara, itagay,
Next, Raquelita de la Cruz.
Raquelita de la Cruz, a.k.a. Rocky.
Single.
Yes, since birth.
Ang talent po.
Sarap kong mangansyon, kung sayaw, tan sa'y pinaka-the best, acting.
Bakit ka namin tubuhin para sa role na to?
Kasi meron po akong dignity at meron akong isang salita. I am a woman of pride, commitment, and integrity. Thank you. Ano po bang role ko dito?
Sawa?
I do! Welcome to my house. Do you like it? Sino ka? Ano kailangan mo sa akin?
Don't worry, dear. I won't mind. It's just that I have a favor to ask you. You know what? I died at my own wedding. Fulfill my wish. Give me a wedding.
Pwede. Patay ka na nga, di ba?
Yes! Wedding! Magpakasal ka!
Ayoko! Hindi ako papayag sa gusto mo. Sinaulo ka ba? Hindi ako natatakot sa'yo. Multo ka lang!
Honestly, dear, it's not a favor. I'm demanding it from you. Or else, I'll take control of your body.
all brings. It is at this time I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Alam mo, ang saya ko. Kasi kasal na tayo. But what about Gretchen? Bakit parang takot na takot ka? Naman ka ba ng kasalanan?
Kasalanan? Do you know me well?
I don't know. But someone did.
Huh? Bakit ka kasi lapit ng lapit sa lalaking yun?
Rocco, it's just our client. Of course, I have to entertain him.
Entertain? Ba't kasi parang iba ng tinginan niyo eh? Huwag mo kang gawing tanga, Gretchen.
Palagi ka na lang ganyan. You're so jealous. You know what? Tama yung mga kaibigan ko eh. I should have left you before pa. Nakakasakal ka na.
Wait, look. I'm sorry. I'm just really laughing.
No! This is not love, Rocco. You're owning me. You know what? I don't want to argue with you anymore. Let's postpone the wedding. Bakit tayo huminto? Ihatid mo lang ako sa bahay. The wedding's over.
If I can't have you, no one can.
Rocco, come here. Do you really think that you can escape with my revenge? Well, I don't think so. Ang dami kong pangarap pero sinira mo lahat ng yon. Now it's my time to prove yours. Gretchen, ano ba? Hindi ko na naiintindihan! I'm sorry, but your husband is a criminal. Rocco? Rocco! Rocco! Walang iya ka. Thank you, Rocky. You made me taste justice. It's hard to get justice if you do not use other people. It's hard to get justice while we live. So why do we not get it when we die? Hello? Hello? Anong nangyari kay Papsi? Papunta na ako dyan.
Bakit ba kasi ayaw mo pakasal sa akin yung anak mo?
Alam ko ang sekreto ng pamilya mo. Alam ko ang ginawa mo.
Anong pinagsasabi mong matanda ka?
Papsi! 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 Sino magawa nito sa'yo? Papsi!
Hulaan mo.